Yeah, it's still really blowing really hard. But wait a second. Gotta fix this with the bag. I think I better do it. Yeah, it's blowing really hard. Not as much rain seems to be there, but I still see a lot of it. And you're not going to be able to see much. On the news, they said the eye was like passing over Lakeland, which isn't a great deal from here, and that's really common, the eye. I thought the eye was supposed to be off the coast. That's what I thought I last heard. I heard from more than one source the eyes are going to be passing right over the county that I live in. So it's up and around. No, it was around the Lakeland area. Don't know if you can see my avocado tree is really bent over. I'm afraid it might break. Don't know what's going to happen with that. I don't want to be out here too much because of the rain and the wind. It's really blowing really hard. It's getting really very dangerous. So I'm only going to be out here a little bit. Hopefully you could hear me pretty well through this bag. Yeah, it's just you're not going to be able to see much because it's so dark. But you could see by those lights over there. You could see the rain really blowing hard. And you're not going to be able to see I'm trying to have a light on my avocado tree, but you're not going to be able to see it. But it's really bent over. So possibly the eye might go right over where I live. We got to see. But amazingly, we still have power. So I know there's some people in other parts of town who don't have it. And a lot of people are out of it right now. I've been seeing those transformers. They've been blowing left and right. But we still have power. It's almost like I see some of my neighbors have it, but I think across the street might be out. I'm not sure. But yeah, the rain is tamped down a bit, but the wind's still really blowing. And I tell you, when it's blowing as hard as it could be, it sounds weird, almost like a monster almost, like it's alive. Who knows, maybe it is. I don't think they're going to see anything with that light.
Darn it.
Maybe if I walk right up to the tree. I'm going to walk up to the tree quickly, show you. Stay here. Watch for this door. Doesn't bang into you. Yeah, it's not raining nearly as hard. I'm right outside right now. I'm trying to show you the tree, how it's bent over. I'm hoping it survives because I've actually had a whole bunch of avocados I picked. I picked them all before this happened. I don't want to lose them. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Yeah, it's blowing really bad out here, but it's not really raining as much at this moment. I'm not getting nearly as wet as I was. It's almost like a misty. Whoa. Crap. Whew. I thought the wind was going to blow that tree right on me. It's more like a misty rain. Well, it's picking up a little bit more now, but not as bad as it was when I was out earlier. Whoa. I don't want to be out here too long. Don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to show you how some of the trees are acting. Okay, well right here with the tree right now. But I've heard there's been some damage, some trees that fall into people's roofs and stuff. Whew. Wow. I tell you, that's strong wind. Shit. Hey, get over there. He got out. I don't want him around the yard. If he gets out, we might not find him. Get him back in there. He must have pushed it open. Put him in the other part of the house. Don't keep him in the bathroom. No, go. Get in there, McDonald. Go. Put the chair in front of it or something. If he gets out, he might get spooked and run off. Yeah, my dog almost got out. And he's like chocolate brown. And then all this, he might get spooked and run off, and I'll never find him. Wow, I tell you, this wind. There's another light There's probably another. Hey, come here. Get in there. No, they can't see. Get in there. Right by the tree. Go. Get in the. Yeah, the light's not going to help. I was having someone hold a light, but if I can't see in the screen, I very much doubt you'll be able to see. There's another light. That's probably another transformer. But yeah. Wow, I tell ya. Ooh. Don't get me wrong, this feels nice and cool and I love it, but not when it's a danger. People and everything. You gotta be careful with some of these trees. They're not really close to them and they're blowing really hard. I don't want them to blow into me. No visible damage at the moment that I can see. So I'm keeping an eye out. Whoa. I feel like one of those reporters who on the news doing this. Like Geraldo or I don't know, someone else does these weather stuff. Been seeing a lot of it on like Pay News 9 and the local Fox affiliate and all that, some others. Whew. You know, when it starts blowing, when it gets those gusts, it's almost, you almost have a little trouble breathing. Wow. Our light flickered in the house again. Whoa! Did you see that? Another transformer blew someplace. I tell you, it makes the whole sky look green. It looks really weird when it happens. You might not be able to see it too well. This is really quick, and I really have to be facing that direction. But yeah, but it's weird. Even when they go off in this red color and the sky's all red, it's like you entered hell or something. Boy, hopefully I'll be able to get this up tonight. All depends if I lose power. Because I'm recording this on a camcorder. I mean, I'll upload either way when as soon as I can. But you know, this right in my mouth. Ooh. Wow, I tell you, nature at its worst, its fury. Mother Nature has a lot of fury in her. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Wow, this is incredible. I remember when I experienced my first hurricanes in 2004. It was Charlie, Gene, and one other. And I couldn't believe how strong it gets. I don't think this hurricane has been as bad as they said it was. But still, any hurricane's not something to sneeze at. Wow. I wish I had a night vision camera to be able to show you this better. But it's incredible. Oh, still recording. Not as stoked as I was earlier. I don't know how it's going to be in the front yard. The front yard was flooding. That's what I did in my last video. Probably worse now. Whoa. Wow, I tell you. Oh. Whoa. Ooh. I tell you, this weather is amazing in a scary way. Mother Nature is beautiful, but also it can have its fury times. You don't see any hint of stars at all. They say there's still some tornado warnings in this area, and a lot of tree limbs down. Wow. is getting a little calmer. Well, no, spoke too soon. A little bit, they reported that the eye was passing over Lakeland. That's what Bay News 9 said, if I understood them correctly. Not sure if it's still going to go over where I live or not. But, whoa. When it gets those gusts, you just can't seem to get any air in your lungs. Oh, man. Wow. This video might not be too exciting because we can't really see anything. Oh, it's after a little after 1. It's probably around 1:15ish, around there. So if you want to know the time, I don't have my watch with me, but I think that's what it is. Whoa. Alright, I'm probably going to quit here. Come out a little later. I think they said around 2 o'clock in the morning is when we were supposed to get the worst part. That's what I thought they said in the news. So I'm going to come out around that time and film again. Sorry, the wind was so strong it turned off my camera. I pressed the shutter down. As I was saying, I'm going to come back out here too and see how it is, or if the eye comes around. So wish me luck. If we try to stay positive and smart, we'll all get through this. Trust me, it's not my first rodeo with hurricanes, as I said before. Alright, I'll see you in a bit.